How you do like that? Like this? No. Come no. That one.
Nongstoin.
Kaha posti. So we have found something. What is here? What is this bridge? Are you scared?
No, I'm not gonna go there. No.
Why?
I'm scared. I'm with L. No way. You can go and try. I will just see you from here.
Is this still on use? Like that. I'm telling you guys, it's very windy. Oh, yeah, look at it. Can you even trust this thing? Can you even trust this thing? Trust it. Guys, comment below how you call this bridge. That was about the bridge. Now we're gonna continue to Nongstoin. Finally reached for Nongstoin. Found a guest house also. So this is what we got. So tired, need to rest a little bit, and then I go roam around in the town. See you in a bit. Now we go roam around here in Nongstoin town. Look at her.
She have an umbrella, Elina, and she's holding it.
How cute is that one?
Yeah, her grandmom bought for her.
Ah.
Yes.
Ah, nee.
Small umbrella for Elina.
Small umbrella. Look at her outfit.
She's so cute.
Wow, so beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, you hold on.
Okay, we go then.
Okay,
And I'm so glad also here is more warmer than Mairang. Nongstoin town. Here we are. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you. Yeah. What is your name?
Oh, jadi Christian Simli.
Oh.
Pasti dia mau keluar.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
I saw you in Instagram, that's why I
Ah,
like your video.
Oh, thank you very much.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Do like this. Yeah, lipstick.
Why you didn't say that since that time? I don't taking picture.
I just told her that she have a lipstick on here.
Seriously.
But I just saw it now only.
My goodness, you
Annie.
You baby. No, I'm good.
Your baby is so cute. Just
Thank
looking
you.
for fast. I cannot take eyes off her.
Thank you very much.
What's her name?
Elina.
Oh my god.
Hello. How are you? Oh, good.
Fine.
You like Portugal?
Yes.
Portugal. Who is the best player?
Yes. Five. Yeah. Ronaldo.
Okay, let's have a photo. Small market in another side, so we're gonna go there and see how it is. Hello guys. Kumno hai? Kumno belong?
Yeah. How are you?
I am good. I am very good.
I saw you on Instagram and all.
Oh, what about YouTube?
YouTube, no.
Have you subscribed?
Will do.
Okay,
Instagram
thank you very
only
much.
for you
Thank
guys.
you very much. Thank you very much. Guys, what you could tell me about Nongstoin?
Nongstoin.
Nongstoin, ne?
Itu lah Pak. Itu.
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 Kalau nak Nongstoin nyama itu.
Nongstoin how come?
Biang.
Biang. Why is Biang? Why Nongstoin is Biang?
Nongstoin is good.
In Nongstoin, do you have like a waterfall?
Yeah.
You have?
Nongknum.
Nongknum?
Nongknum is like an island.
Ah.
But there is Winya Falls, so the side.
Also?
Yeah.
Oh.
Slioken.
Ah. So this is the main town, isn't it? Right. Ah. Main town of Nongstoin.
Yes.
Bye guys. Bye. Okay, so that's about the Nongstoin. Ma. Nice to meet you.
I'm your fan.
Oh.
Very nice to meet you. So where are you from?
We just roam around here. We roam around here with my family.
So many here, they know you because they saw your family is happy. And
Yes.
me also, I'm your big fan.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Take a picture with you.
Yes, of course. Let's have a photo. Why not?
Happy to see you.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
so proud to be here. We
Yeah,
are
yeah.
Indian.
Yes, 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 yes,
I'm
yes.
so proud of you, sir.
What is it? Oh! Hello, hello. Yes, you are carpenter or what?
Bundari.
You are. Show me what you work. Can you show me what you do? Carpenters here. Ah, nee. Like this. What do you do? Ah, wood. This is a pet. Ah, hello. Come no. Come no. Biang. Ah, nee. And this one you do.
Shoka.
Shokar. In Shokar. Shokar. Oh, use it like that. Ah, like that. Okay, very good. Thank you, Mo. Bye. All right, so carpenters. Ah, nee. Met some carpenters. Jesus Christ was also carpenter. If you didn't know, now you know. How are you? You're fine? School is already finished.
It's over.
Over. School.
Yang
Lalut.
awal school.
Lalut. School. Oh, watermelon good. In Khasi, how you say watermelon? Sop. Sopatao. Sopatao. Oh, you have sopatao also on your nose. On your nose, sopatao. Panipuri.
Yes.
Oh, we try.
Yes.
And then just bamja. Bamja. Like that.
Can I hold her?
Yes. Nongstoin, panipuri. Spal.
So long. I'm eating. Eat whole like that?
I like it.
Photo.
Yes, of course, let's have a photo. Thank you very much, appreciate it. Hello. Hello.
Want to see your baby? Oh, thank you.
Shano.
उधर में नोखला भी जगह में
Huh?
नोखला में
Oh. Oh. Okay, Mo. Yes, Mo. Bye. Oh, it's okay. You're okay. Okay. Hello. Kumno. Kumne. How are you guys? How are you? Nongstoin. That Nongstoin is like this. That Nongstoin is bigger because I was only for the other side. It looks a little bit small, but now this is a huge place. Look at it. What is this kind of building here? Oh, and also here is a market day, so I'm gonna go roam around for the market. This is Priscilla. Ah, it's okay. Priscilla Pursat complex. That's what it is. Kumno. Ah. Oh, nee. Kumno kilong. Piang. Kahaposti. Selause. Okay, nompo. Kun. One kun. Si, kinte.
Mapi tu mga i sam tu janya ayu mapi hai kelang mga itu mobile mga pek.
Oh, nee. Biangi.
Lok iya bahapri.
Okay.
Kuru bahapri. Mapi nya turus ya.
Oh. Okay, Toto. No, hello. Nice to meet you too. How are you? All good? Okay. Is the market side here? Market side is here. Here. In Khasi, how you say fruit? In Khasi. Fruit. Huh? So. This is so. Right. So also mango so. Sopi. Shopping. Like a shopping. But shopping. Okay, Mo. All right, shopping, shopping. Hello. What is this one? Lucky draw. If I'm right, do I win? Okay, bye. Bye bye. Lucky draw. If I'm right, do I win? No answer. So I will continue. Oh! Living fishes. Living fishes. Mo. Hello, hello, hello. Come no. Viang. Ah, nice fish here. Hello. Hello, good play, good play. Come no. Viang. Viangi. Oh, okay. Wow, nice fishes. We don't have in Nompo like this. But this kind of fish we have. We call sarki. Sarki fish. Like that. Hello, hello. Hi. Sarki fish. So many shoes. Ah, nee, so many shoes. Sandals. I should need a new sandals. Hello guys, kumno. Biang. And this is a duma. Duma, right? Can I taste? Not taste. Can I smell? Yeah, it is a real duma. Very strong one. These guys, they are playing a Free Fire. Let me bet you. Free Fire? Best. Free Fire? No. Best. Free Fire. That's what many people play here in India. This market is big place. I didn't know. Now I know. This is bigger market than in Jowai. Ah, working. Oh, you make it sharper. Sharper. Oh, nice. Can go. Ah, here. Hane. Oh, different. Oh, this is like that. Wow. How you do like that? This is Duma.
Yes.
Like that. Show me how you do. This is very interesting.
Yeah.
Wow. Like that. I have never seen.
You've never seen?
Never seen. First time. Oh, it's the leaf. This is the leaf.
Yes. This is the leaf.
And then you cut it.
Yes.
And it comes like that.
Yeah. This is the leaf.
Oh, that leaf.
Yeah, this one.
So this is Duma Klein also.
Yes.
Duma Klein.
Yes.
But this Duma Klein you can also use in your mouth.
No.
Oh.
This one.
Oh, it's different. So this is the cigarette.
Yes.
Cigarette.
Tobacco.
This is tobacco. So this is the real tobacco. Oh. Like that. Real one. Real.
Yeah, tobacco.
Yeah, very interesting. Oh, yes. Duma. Oh, very interesting. That's how looks nice. Yeah. Can I try?
Yeah, you can try.
I want to try more.
Yeah.
Oh, like that.
Yeah.
So what I do? You can hold this one.
Okay.
So I sit here.
Yeah.
And then what?
You
Like
can.
this. Up more.
Yeah.
I put my leg here.
Oh,
Leg.
yes.
You push like this. Push. Like this. Kumno. That one. Kumno. This one. Leg.
This one. Left.
Here.
Yeah.
Here. Here.
Hi.
Okay. Hoi.
You can go. You
Hoi.
can.
Australia. Finland.
Finland.
Ah. And then I just push. Show me.
You can show.
Like that.
You have to do
Kumne.
like this. Alright. No.
Oh, like this.
Yes.
Okay, to. And then suki.
Suki.
Like this.
Oh.
Biang.
Ah, go.
Biang.
Biang.
Like this. Oh, good.
Oh, good.
Oh, one more. Okay. Ah, nee. Okay, I'm a professional almost.
Professional.
Wow, new experience. Ah, nee, here in Nongstoin. New experience. Okay, Mo. Bye. Hello. Kumno. Biang. Oh, okay. Hello guys. Hello Kumno.
Hello.
Hmm. Okay. Hello.
Your subscribers.
Oh, really? Oh, nice, nice, nice. Nice to see you guys. Nice to see you. Hello. What is your name? Wow. And yours name?
Nasi.
Nancy. And? Okay, nice to meet you. My name is Aki. Nice to meet you.
Watching you for quite some time.
Oh, okay. And you like?
Yes, of course.
Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Yeah. Okay, bye, bye. Yes, yes. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. People are on my auto like that. Oh, cannot start.
Place.
Ah, okay.
Everybody they have tried, no, but
Parking here.
doesn't.
Ah, it's not parking here. Okay, sorry,
you show
sorry.
them because they don't know since.
Okay.
Try.
Okay, I will come. I will come. Oh, no problem, no problem.
Page mentamo, ili ako no video clip.
Okay.
Show them they want to see how you.
Ah, like this. See,
Page.
see, like this. More, like this. And here, more. Apa?
Oh, okay.
Like that.
In front of the big house.
Oh, okay.
He is our subscriber.
Ah.
He will show us.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, you show us. Ah. Sorry, Ma. Sorry. Okay. Hello. Long time no see. Yeah. Long time no see. Hello. Oh my goodness. I parked my auto in the wrong place. When I reached the auto, there is like 20 young men trying to start my auto, but nobody could start it.
Yeah.
And since that time when I left to the market, so I was around I think 30 minutes. So since that time, I parked the auto here, okay? In middle of that side.
Taxi.
In middle of the taxi place, right? So since that time they tried to start it, but yeah, already. And then what happened?
And yeah, so many mans they came to try. I said to them, because there's a key, so I said, yeah, you can try, you know, to park our auto that side, and nobody's could do it, you know. So because it's different, so that's why. And they even says that if you want to try to steal your auto, so we cannot. It's a pareng auto.
Yes, pareng auto. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is. Okay, but now the okay, we go. Watch out the auto, nah? But now the auto is in parking place. Okay. Oh, it's your auto. Wow, nice. Nice auto. You have window also. Window. Show me more. This is the thing. See?
Nice.
Oh, it's flex. This one.
We can modify.
Lock also. Yeah. Yeah, I can do like that.
Wait.
This auto looks like that it's gonna go to the moon. If you want, you just take the lead.
Yeah, I will take it. Don't
Just
worry.
take the lead like that.
Don't worry, when it comes to shopping, you don't need to worry for your wife.
Oh, when it comes to shopping, don't need to worry about.
About me, because you know, if you don't say also.
Hello. Nice to see you too. What is your name?
My name is Jonathan Linkoy.
Chinan Talinkoi. Sop Pareng.
Yes.
Which one is Sop Pareng?
This one is sop pareng.
That one.
Yes.
This one is Sop Pareng.
Yes.
Oh. One Pareng, two Pareng. Like
And
that.
sop pareng.
And Sop Pareng. Yeah. Oh, hello. Ah, mo. Piang. Ah. Oi, mate. Come no. Piang.
Kubli bun.
Oh, yes, of course. Yes. Hello.
Kentai.
Kublai mo. Yes, cute. Oh, kublai mo.
The one that you fall in the pit.
Oh, yes. Ball bearing.
Wolverine.
Yes. Oh, kublai.
Entah sih, you mark.
Nongstoin mo.
Strong. Very good. Yes, yes, yes. Climb, 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 climb. Climb, climb, climb. More. Hello.
Anis kun.
Good luck.
Si Ibe ha. Laklok na de tak. Ma. Ikatang yupi. Ha? Oh, Elena. Ni kan tay mo. Kan tay sa.